Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Guys. Today on Forex, guys, we'll be having only one, two, three, four, five pairs, whereby I will try to explain my analysis, and whereby I will try to explain how do I see the market currently, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, those who didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the sub button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post any new video, guys. And thanks in advance. Okay, again, I think I'll be posting videos each and every week from today. Each and every week I will be posting videos regarding this forex and other stuff. Okay, so guys, let's get started. For now, I'll be talking about euro dollar. Okay, on euro dollar, guys. As you can see that euro dollar is playing nice. Okay, so I'll just get straight to the point. I won't waste your time, guys. This video won't be long. Okay, what I'm seeing here, I see a double bottom, a nice double bottom there. Okay, and then again, what's happened here? Let's see. Okay, the market was shoot the impulse to the downside and correct around here. Okay, and correct around here, and now it's shoot to the upside and then correct the downside in the form of descending channel, and again shoot to the upside. This is a structure, guys. This is a structure. So now the market is at the bottom of the structure, and it forms what? A double bottom there. Okay, so in that case, guys, I will just switch straight to daily time frame. Okay, on a daily time frame, guys, whereby I will rather see what the market was playing there. Okay, if you can check there, you can see that the market was forming a mini double top there. Okay, and now it's heading to the downside in the form of what? Descending channel, guys, to push the market to the upside. Okay, so for me, I'll rather wait for the market to shoot to the upside and correct after the breakout. And I'll check the buy position. Okay, my take profit will be there. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is because you'll find like you want to take a trade now. Okay, but you find like the market went up here and come back there and make another mini double bottom there to shoot afterwards. You find that it shoots the upside. Okay, so to be on a safe side, guys, don't rush anything. Don't rush any entry. Wait for the market to come to you, and then you will see what to do with the market. For me, I would rather wait for the market to push outside and correct after the breakout, and then I'll be like this, taking I'll set the buy pending order there, and then if you can see, you will then see that the market will be forming something like inverse at the shoulders. Okay, so guys, okay, I can say inverse head and shoulders like this. Okay, so that's what I was that's what I'm seeing. Let me just put a trend line so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, I see something like this, nice and beautiful. Okay, again, from the bottom there, I see this. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Okay, so I would rather wait for the market to break the structure. Let me just take a brush. Let me just take my brush here, or else I will take this one. It's fine also. I would rather wait for the market to break outside. Okay, and come down here, not to retest, guys, just come down here and make a mini correction to shoot to the upside. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, this is what I think it will happen. Okay, exactly this. So if you can check there, you will then see that okay, uh, the market was pushing to the downside in the form of what? In the form of descending channel. Remember, we're on a day here in the form of descending channel, and then and form what? Uh, and form a mini inverse head and shoulders here. Okay, to push the market to the upside. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so let us go to uh, 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 a 4 hour time frame and check what's happening there. Okay, sorry, to go to the 4 hour and check what's going on there. As you can see, that you'll see that the market went to the upside. Now it's on the form of correction to continue to the upside. Okay, so and again, it will be what? Inverse head and shoulders inside the structure. Okay, so euro dollar, guys, it's heading to the upside. Okay, so uh I can do it something like this. Let me just show you. I want to show you what I'm talking about. I don't want to left you behind. Sorry. uh okay, here again, that's why I say I'll wait for the market to come here and do what? And break. Okay, after break, come back here and come go to the upside again. I'm just trying to show you what I expect, on the bigger picture. And again, if you can check here, you can see that okay, this is a what? This is the inverse head and shoulders, like after the breakout. Okay, this will be the your left shoulder, head, and again, I mean this one. Sorry. Uh, I'm just drawing on the phone, guys. This will be something like that. Okay, so you can take an entry here, or if you wanna take a more what do you call more advantage on this thing, you can do something like this. You can take an entry right away here, right away here, uh, like that. When breaks to the upside, you are in, and your stop, you are what? Your take profits will be around here. Okay, stop loss below the structure. Okay, that's it. That's what I see on euro dollar. Okay, so let me just do it for you. uh let me just do it for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. uh this is structure. I want to make this simple for you guys. This is structure I'm talking about. And then again to the upside. On the upside, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, so if you can see, if you can check, you can see that okay, this is a impulse to the downside, correct, and go to the downside. What's happened? The market shoot to the upside, and then now it's on the form of correction to continue to the upside. This is the inverse head and shoulders, guys. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so for me, I would rather wait for this to break to the upside. Okay, and then again correct after the breakout, and then I place a stop loss here, and then try to get this impact to the upside. Okay, so this is what I do. I usually do to to minimize my losses. Okay, so uh, that's what I see on what you call euro dollar. Okay, so again, if you can check here, let us check here. we are doing this together, guys. Let's see. uh, the market shoot to the upside. Now it's in the form of what? In the form of descending channel inside. So after the break to the upside here, you set the pending order, the buy pending order here, stop loss below the structure. Okay, try to catch the move to the upside. Okay, that's what I can also do. And again, you can see that, okay, this is what, again, this is, guys, you know. So we have a lot of confluence to place a buy. Okay, so that's it on. If you don't understand, you know where to find me on my WhatsApp number. I will put my WhatsApp number on the description below there. If you want to comment something there, just comment on the comment section. I will respond as soon as I see your comment there. Okay, so that's it on euro dollar, guys. So let's go straight to what? To pound dollar. Okay, as usual, we'll start on the weekly time frame so that everyone will understand what we are talking about. Okay, so on a weekly time frame, this is what I'm seeing, guys. On the weekly time frame, I simply see something like the bottom there. I hope everyone see it. And then what's happened? The market impulse, not I mean not impulse, was correcting to the upside in the form of what? In the form of ascending channel on a weekly time frame. Okay, on a weekly time frame. Okay, guys. So it was going to the upside on a weekly time frame. And what's happened? It didn't want. It didn't do what? It didn't shoot the downside. It's correct back to the downside. Okay, on the form of what? In the form of descending channel. And on top of the channel, what do we see there? What are we seeing there? Uh, we see something like this. We see something like a head and shoulder pattern there. Okay, to push the market to the downside. Okay, head and shoulder pattern, guys, is too much important. You have to know and see it exactly. Okay, and again, what we saw there, we saw again a double top there on top of the structure, and the what, and again we see the head and shoulders there. So that's very enough to push to place a sell there. Okay, so we are done with this previous stuff. I want to talk about current stuff now. Okay, so we will switch to what? We'll switch to the daily to check if we have something to see there. For me, I think this will still push to downside, but I'm not yet sure because uh, as you can see, I think I'm seeing something like inverse head and shoulder. I meant to say, sorry. I'm seeing something like inverse head and shoulders there. Okay, so but not yet completed. Okay, so and again, what I'm seeing, I see the impulse to the downside and correct here, push the downside. Now the market is correction. This correction is a continual correction. So I think it will push the downside once more and made a what? A double bottom there to push the market to the upside. I'm talking about daily time frame now. Let's go to what? Let's go to maybe a 4 hours to see what's happening there. If you can check here, guys, you see that I was talking about the impulse to downside. Now the market correct there, push to the downside, uh, and then again to the downside. Now it's doing what? Ascending channel to push what? To push the market to the downside. And then here, so I mean to say, yeah, maybe it will do what? We will see a smaller correction in the form of descending channel. I'll be able to see that to take the market to the upside back again. Okay, so for me, this is very tricky. This is very tricky, I can say, because bigger time frame tells us something and small time frames, and I don't want to trade against the bigger time frame. So I can just do something like this. Analyzing on the current market, and then again uh, this one, or maybe I can put it here. And then what do you see there? What do you see there? I see something like this to push what? To push the market to the downside. So I'll just wait to see if this can break to the downside and correct after the breakout, and then I'll check this entry when I'll set the sell pending order here. My stop loss will be here. I'm just giving an example to try to catch the market to the downside. Okay, so that's what I will do for now because I don't see anything. Or either wait for the market to come, either wait for the market to come down here to make this double bottom, and then we'll see what will happen here. If we see something like inverse head and shoulders, or maybe a descending channel there, or whatever I can see, we can see to push the market to the upside, and then we'll be able to take a buy there. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on pound dollar. Okay, so yeah, now it's what's happening. The market went to the downside. It was about to correct somewhere there. I think after finishing this correction, it will push the downside. So I will just put an eye on what will happen here. Okay. So that's it on pound dollar. So we'll go straight to now to what? CAD yen. Okay. On the CAD yen, guys, we'll go straight to weekly as usual. Um, weekly time frame as usual. And then it's very nice here. You can see that the market went to the form a double top here. So now this one is risky to trade now because you can see the sharp to the upside here. Let me just show you this sharp to the upside. Because now it's forming a uh, continual pattern here. So now I'll just wait and see what the market will play out around this area. Around this area, I will just want to see what's happened. If the market push the upside and correct after the break this after breaking this top there, I'll be happy to see the break to the upside and correct after the breakout. Then I'll check the entry to the upside. But I'll just wait to see. Maybe it can do something like this, go to the upside, and maybe the break will see if it correct like this to push to the downside, or either break and correct to the downside to push the market to the upside. Okay, so we'll then wait and see what the market will play out here, or either do something like this and then shoot the downside and correct here and push the downside and form what? A head and shoulders on top of the channel. So that's what you need to see, guys. Don't just wait and see the breakout and say, yeah, the market went to the upside. No, wait for the confirmation, guys, please. Wait for the confirmation. Always wait for the confirmation. So there's no need for us to go to the small time frame here because already we see that the market is pushing to the upside, but we can't just take a trade without seeing the confirmation. So for me, CAD yen now, I'm not seeing anything on it. So I'll just switch straight to CAD to EuroCAD. EuroCAD daily time frame. Now we'll switch to the weekly as usual, guys, as usual. So after watching this video, I have a message for you guys that can make you really succeed in this field. So again, uh, double bottom there, simple stuff, eh? Double bottom there, a daily time frame. What's happening? What's happening here? What's happening here, guys? I see this. What I'm seeing currently, a descending channel, I was thinking maybe this breaks to the upside was the break where that will take the market to the upside, and also this one I was thinking also. So here I expand my structure to this one, uh, expand my structure to that one, and again this one. If you can check here, guys, on a daily time frame, if you can check here, let's go to 4 hours so that you can understand more. Let's go straight to 4 hour. I'll rather wait for the market to come here. Let me just show you, to come down here, or either down to the structure down there and went up, well, sorry, and went up. Whatever it will do here, I don't care. I'll wait to see the break to the upside. Okay, and then when the break, I will happy to see something like this after the breakout, and then I will take a trade. Okay, that's what I want to see on the market. That's what I want to see on the market. Okay, so now I'm not seeing anything because it's still inside the structure. I don't want to trade the market when it's ranging inside the structure. So you're okay, I don't see anything also there. So Australian dollar, we'll go straight to the weekly. I'm very excited on this one already. If you can see here, guys, you can just see with your eyes that okay, here we are forming what? We are forming an inverse head and shoulders on a bigger time frame, guys. This is very nice to see. Okay, and again, what's happened? The market shoot to the downside and correct here, push the downside in the time of COVID, the downside, and recover same time. Okay, and recover same time. What's happening here? Now it's forming a continual pattern to push the market to the upside. If you can check, you can see that okay, this one is a inverse head and shoulders on its own. Okay, so what that we are seeing it on the bigger time frame. Okay, so let's switch to, let me just put the trend line so that others can see what I'm talking about. Okay, uh, this is the nice structure here. This one is a very nice structure. uh, okay, so we'll go straight to the daily. We'll go straight to the daily, guys, and check what's happening on our structure. We'll just adjust there and there. And again, me as usual, I'll rather wait. That's why I'm not always taking trades, guys. I'll rather wait for the market to push the upside, and after breaking to that structure, I'll be happy to see something like this, and then or either something like this. I'll be able to see it, and then put the stop loss there, pending order there, to try to catch the move to the upside. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look, because if you take a buy, you think maybe it will break and correct and stuff like this. This can happen also. The market can go up, go down, up inside this structure for a long time. You see, you find like you are being emotional, So the best way to avoid these things of emotional and stuff, wait for the market to break out and correct after the breakout. This is the nice entry that I'm talking about always. And then you set the pending order there. Try to catch when the market come up and trigger there. You are in, even if you are it's late or maybe you are sleeping. It's not pending order are okay. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing, guys, on the market. So we can also go to switch to 4 hour and check if we can have something in here. Because now if you can check on the smaller time frame, the market pushed the downside and correct there and push again to the downside. Now it's forming a continual pattern. maybe it can push the downside and form a double top, double bottom there, something to say, and shoot to the upside. That's why I will wait for anything happen here. I will just be interested when I see something like out and correct after the breakout. I will be happy to take that buy position. Okay, if it does anything here, I'm no longer interested. Even if it can go when it pushes the downside, I will just stay away from the market because it is not fit all my rules, So don't force to trade if you don't see anything, guys. That's what I want to tell you. And again, guys, try to watch, even if you don't watch my videos, any people, any guys who are teaching online on YouTube and stuff, guys, try to make sure that okay, you are pushing, you are looking on the long videos. You can't be rich, guys, watching only 30 minutes, or I mean 3 minutes videos, and you want to start going to trade. You're watching 5 minutes video, you want to go and trade. Sit down, take your time, tell yourself that okay, now I want to push this in the future. I want to see myself somewhere on forex. So try to sit down, watch the long video, guys. Have all the information inside. Don't just scroll left and right. Sit down, tell yourself now it's my time. I want to watch this video until to the end. If I don't understand, I will ask this particular person, or I will ask the relevant person. So that's what I wanted to say to tell you guys. So uh try to watch the long videos. Okay, try to watch the long videos, guys. Again, this is what I wanted to show you. Uh, okay, if you can check here, that's why I'm saying I'm not interested in what's happening inside here, because here you see a mini double top, where on top of the structure, and what's happening now, you think maybe it will go out and made a small head and shoulders, then push the downside. It can happen. Remember, it's a probability game here. But for me, I will just stay away here. Okay, I will just stay away here to wait the market to come. Even if it made it, whatever happens here and then go up, I will be happy to see a correction after the breakout. Then I will take that trade. Okay, that's what I wanted to try to say. So guys, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I appreciate everyone who will be watching this video, guys. And then if you don't understand, you know what to do, I have a Telegram channel, also the WhatsApp group, and then you can text me there, you can ask anything. Everything is free for me. Guys, no one can charge you anything on my side. Everything's free, so feel free to ask anything. Feel free to join my free signals group, and then I will put the link of the brokers that I prefer. You can choose and open any broker from the two. I have only two brokers that I prefer currently now, so I will put the links there. But currently now I'm preferring XM. I will put the link for the XM there. To just press the link, register, do anything, then start trading. You'll automatically having access to the free signal, guys. Where I send free signals. You make money on your own. So XNet is good, guys. If you join them here in South Africa, they give us free non-withdrawable fund on a real account, so you can start trading with them. It's okay, guys. So not I don't see any problem on this XM broker. So guys, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Hope we'll see you guys next week again. I'll be posting the videos each and every week from now onwards, guys. Thank you.